Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Here is Roshni with CID News Network Islamabad. Today's English headlines. Officers of Khwaja Asif's alleged housing colony demolished in Sialkot. Taking action against alleged housing colony of PMLN lawmaker Khwaja Asif, the local administration demolished its offices in Sialkot. PAF aircraft departs for Beijing to airlift first tranche of COVID-19 vaccine. A special aircraft of the Pakistan Air Force departed for Beijing to bring the first batch of China-made COVID-19 vaccine to Pakistan. 18 more IPPs agreed to government's terms for cheap electricity. The Energy Ministry has announced contracts with 18 new independent power producers, including wind power units, for cheaper electricity in the country. Inflation on the decline, Asad Umar. Federal Minister for Planning and Development Asad Umar tweeted that inflation is on the decline due to the success of the Prime Minister Imran Khan's economic policy. UAE announces citizenship for investors, doctors, and skilled professionals. The United Arab Emirates has approved law amendments allowing investors, professionals, people with special talent, and their families to acquire the Emirati nationality and passport under certain conditions. U.S. Public Safety Department mistakenly issues alert for Chucky doll. The Texas Department of Public Safety issued a strange alert featuring two characters, Chucky and Glenn, from the Child's Play horror series. Mother reveals how TikTok video helped her find missing son. An Uzi mother has revealed how she found her son, who went missing in a mart after learning a clever hack on TikTok. Coronavirus kills 34 more as another 1,599 tested positive for coronavirus. The coronavirus claimed 34 more lives as another 1,599 people tested positive for the deadly disease during the past 24 hours across the Pakistan. Karachi records minimum temperature at 11 degrees centigrade. Minimum temperature in Karachi recorded at 11 degrees centigrade, Pakistan Meteorological Department said in weather report. This is the end of today's news. Please subscribe our YouTube channel, follow us on Facebook, and also share it, like it, and comments on it. Take care and keep watching CID News Network Islamabad. Goodbye.
You are watching CID News Network Islamabad.